Hi, Crafty Patty here. A while back I was having a lot of fun doing the dirty pour painting. I'm still having fun with it. It's just a fun process. This particular one was acrylic paint and I did use the silicone to get the cells. Some people choose to use the cornstarch or flour method and they're rubbing it in to absorb all the silicone, then they're wiping it off and cleaning up afterwards. I'm just thinking, it seems like too much work for me. I'm a little bit lazy that way, I think. So I'm going to use the Krylon product. This Krylon product is good for watercolor, is good for acrylic, and is good for oil. Being that the silicone is oil-based, this is going to work just fine. The important thing is that you must let your painting air dry for at least 2 to 3 weeks, and this will allow the gases from the silicone to evaporate. Then you'll be good to go to use the Krylon product. So I'm going to go outside, I'm going to spray this down with nice even strokes. This dries in about 5 minutes. I'll probably let it dry a little longer than that. I'll give it about half an hour, and then I'll come in and I'll do a second coat. So let's get started and let's get this protected. Okay, so I'm outside and I've placed a drop cloth over my fence just to protect my fence from getting sprayed from varnish. And I've just put in a couple nails into my one post here so I can put my painting up. I'm going to start with the painting upside down because I want to spray my edges as well. I'll spray this one edge, I'll flip it around to the right side, I can spray my other edges and then do my surface. You're going to want to shake your can for about 2 to 3 minutes before you start spraying. And I'm going to let this dry for about 5 minutes, maybe up to half an hour, just to be on the safe side, and then I'll come back and we'll spray one more coat. So after 5 minutes it was still on the tacky side, not much but a little bit, so I left it for about 20 minutes and I'm now going to do my second coat. If your can starts to not flow very well, tip it upside down and push your nozzle and that will clear it. And that's it. A lot easier, I think, than the cornstarch method. So I'm just going to try to give you a close-up of what the spray varnish does. And you know, when you're brushing on varnish, you worry about getting the streaks and the lines and having to go in different directions. And with the spray, I think, I'm trying to pick it up, as you can see, it's a really even coating of varnish all the way. I think that's picking up on camera. So I think if you use the Krylon, I'm sure you'll be quite happy with the effects. And I'm certainly happy, and it's very easy to do.